This is how we make spaghetti and meatballs.
Woo!
Okay, Squishes, you ready? First thing we're gonna do is we're going to add 500 grams of ground beef. Squish, I need leaves of basil. Tummy, I need rosemary.
One of this?
One. Oh, we're gonna crack an egg. Can you add milk to the breadcrumbs? Let it sink, let it sit, let it soak. Fresh herbs. Who wants to do salt? Who wants to do pepper? 3 turns. One, two. Hannah, you can do the oregano. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. A little bit of this to our mixture. So what we're going to do now is we're going to incorporate everything.
Smoosh it with your hands.
It's exactly right.
Moist.
Okay.
Smoosh it.
A small spoon.
A little garlic goes a long way.
You are your father's daughter. A little garlic goes a long way. So now we're going to roll our meatballs. So could you please remove everything off of the cutting board so we have space to work? And we're making them a little bit bigger than what we want them to be because they're going to shrink when we cook them. So that's one. We'll cut these just a rough chop. Thank you, Hannah. We're gonna add olive oil to our already hot pan. We're gonna add the meatballs, the onions, a little bit of garlic. Give that a stir so it doesn't stick. Close the lid. What we're going to do is we're going to get our spaghetti ready while the meatballs are browning. Okay, Squishes. We're gonna take our uncooked pasta. We're gonna bring the meatballs, okay? What do you think? Doesn't that look nice? Okay, so Hannah, I'm gonna bring this to you. Yeah, put the meatballs here. Tummy, I want you for the chopped tomatoes and the tomato sauce. We're gonna take this back to simmer. All right, so we're gonna brown our meatballs a bit more while our sauce is cooking down a bit. Add a little bit of olive oil to our pan. Okay, so our pasta is boiling, our sauce is simmering, our meatballs are browning. Put all that stuff together, we'll have a wonderful dish. So salt, pepper, a little bit of oregano. Turn that off. Give that a nice stir. Oh yeah. We're gonna add the meatballs to our sauce. Give them a good stir. Incorporate everything. Finished our pasta. Say ooh ah.
Hey, what if one of the 6 meatballs went missing?
Then you'd be in trouble because I know it was you because you asked. We're gonna mix our pasta first, then we're gonna add cheese and basil. More. And now we're going to garnish with Parmesan cheese and basil. Cheese. And this is how you make a fantastic spaghetti and meatballs.